Hello. Thank you for downloading the AQ app. My name is Sean Nanavati, co-founder of the AQ app. I will guide you through our easy-to-use tools to improve your overall wellness. Alright, let's start by signing up into the app. Let me just continue here at my Apple account. Once you've signed up, you can choose to personalize your app experience by taking your first AQ test. Simply select Find My AQ. It involves sitting down for a 4-minute meditation. You can also do this later. Okay, I decided to find my AQ because I was curious to know my personal starting point, the point for my mental fitness journey, and I wanted to begin my training based on my current needs. Let's start on the home screen. The home screen shows a summary of your activities and progress at a quick glance, and from here you can click to navigate to different sections of the app. Now let's take a look at the tabs on the bottom of the screen. Here we have Home, Wellness, Training, Attention, and Profile. Let's go to Attention. This is the hub for all things related to your AQ test results. You can see your latest AQ score and percentile, which compares you to everyone who's taken the AQ test around the world. Click on the right arrow on the top right corner here to see more details of your AQ test. Your score is made up of 5 attention-based mental fitness factors: awareness, rest, introspection, calm, and somatics. You can click on the info bubble to see a quick definition of each. Here, you can learn how you've been progressing during your last 5 AQ tests, and you can also access the leaderboard. Click back to Attention. We also have a before and after feature which allows you to experiment with your daily activities. Select Start a Before and After test and experiment to see which activities have a positive or negative impact on your AQ. Now select the Training tab. The trainings always match your current needs. We create your personalized training path based upon your latest AQ score and offer one training at a time. When you finish your training, the next training in your personalized path will show up the next day. Each training has 3 sections: Discover, Meditate, and Practice. You can do all or parts of the training at any given time. Sometimes when I revisit a training, I will navigate directly to the Meditate or Practice sections to continue to hone my skills and improve my AQ score. Need something quick? Try listening to one of our wellness breaks, which includes a growing collection of scientifically driven, relaxing nature sounds, music, and breathing routines. They are designed to both calm your mind when you are stressed and boost your creativity to improve your performance. Now let's check out the Wellness tab. This feature requires an Apple Watch. Set up your wellness monitor by allowing AQ access to your heart rate data. The real-time wellness monitor automatically connects to your Apple Watch, analyzes your heart rate, and actually knows when you are anxious or calm, 24/7. We also provide you with a history of your daily wellness reports. You can look back to any day and see when you are calm, neutral, or anxious. I find this to be a powerful tool. It allows me to see patterns or determine what may have created distress. This way I can prepare or make small adjustments the next time I'm in a similar situation. What's more, you will automatically get recommendations to take wellness breaks, which we covered earlier. They are provided at the precise moment we notice you've been anxious for too long, so be sure to turn on AQ notifications. Thank you for embarking on your mental fitness journey with us. Check out our website and blog for more information. Happy training!